Asserting that in India whose thinking and approach are new and decisions progressive, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday that a system is being created in which there is no place for any discrimination. Delivering the keynote address at the national launch ceremony of Azadi Ke Amrit Mahotsav se Swarnim Bharat Ke Ore virtually, Modi noted that one's progress is aligned with the nation's progress and stressed that the need for giving importance to one's duties for the country's rise. While launching year-long initiatives dedicated to Azadi Ke Amrit Mahotsav by the Brahma Kumaris, which include more than 30 campaigns and over 15,000 programs and events, he said, "We also have to admit that in the 75 years after independence, a malaise has afflicted our society, our nation and all of us. The malaise is that we turned away from our duties and did not give them primacy.